my dog likes being vacuumed.
My arm is tired. He's like, why'd you stop?
Whiskey.
Oh god. Yay! So we just went to the pet store and I got Castiel a collar and a crate, his safety crate for when the big dogs scare him. And
you know Erin's gonna steal it.
Yeah, Erin might try to steal it. She really loves small spaces. And then, I don't know where we're going now. Num 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 num. Haha, you don't have your food. Ha 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 ha. We are at Thai food. Num 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 num. Tony got his food now. Is it good? Yes. Num num. We just ran to the 99-cent store to get Tony more candles for his shrine.
Candles.
And I got Whiskey a cheeseburger toy, and I got Castiel a little caterpillar toy.
Until Whiskey eats the caterpillar.
Yeah. I'll give Whiskey a choice. He can take one or the other. If he doesn't take the other, then the other's Castiel's.
Whiskey's gonna take them both.
No, I'm gonna hide it. Tony got me a pretty bracelet. A pretty bracelet. And Whiskey got his cheeseburger. Whiskey got cheeseburger. Whiskey got cheeseburger. Let's do this. It's a little crowded over here, but that's okay. What are you doing, Whiskey? Oh, you did not like that. Get, oh, 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 I heard those claws. Oh. Get him, Blue. Oh, did you give up? Boo-boos. Oh. Whiskey, you're a dick. Tony, hurry up. Hurry up. Eat faster. Let's go bike ride. Let's go take dogs for a bike ride. Hurry up. Eat faster. Nom 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 nom. Bourbon, are we going to teach you how to go next to a bike? Yes, we are. You look so fancy next to this bike. Here they come to save the day. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Tony's not very good at this with bourbon.
The pet store has a kitty.
It's like Nuzzle. What a sweet kitty.
Alright guys, so that's the end of our Monday and Tuesday. We're going to bed. I'm gonna be up for work in, I don't know, like 6 hours or so. So, hope you guys enjoy. Piss off. Hey, go buy it.